This is Vincy from QLQ company. Today I will introduce the spring load slider and spring automatic assembly machine reverting type. So the machine's average output is 3,600 to 4,200 pieces per hour, and about the size, the length is 120 centimeters, the width is 85 centimeters, and the height is 125 centimeters. About its weight, the net weight is 300 kilograms, and the gross weight is 450 kilograms. Now the machine is working. The slider is cooler and spring feed from the part feeder. Then the other side then auto-assembled on the main disc. It can enhance work benefits. With sensor device, it will turn off automatically if the slider is at wrong place. Can protection machine and reverse parker. Finally, the part feeder or slider has been polyurethane processing. It can use electroplating slider to auto-assembly. If you have any questions, you are welcome to contact us.